Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you earn Temu credits through referrals, rewards or promotions, you might wonder how to put it in good use. Temu credits act like a digital wallet, helping you save on your purchases. So here's a step-by-step guide to using your Temu credits balance effectively. The first step is to check your credits balance, and to do that, just open the Temu app on your mobile device or iOS device, or if you're using your computer, just go and access the website using your web browser by searching for the Temu website. As you can see in this video, I'm using my my Android device, so I'm just gonna click on the Temu app. Now, this important step is make sure you log in. And to log into your Temu account, just click on the U section here, and the profile icon in the bottom middle, and click on U, and sign in and register using your account credentials. After you sign in, navigate to the rewards and credit sections. It will be appeared once you log into your account. Now after that, you'll find your balance available and it will be displayed there. After that, shop for products. And to do that, just browse the app or website and add items to your cart. Like for example, I'm just gonna add this item right here and click on add to cart, and this will automatically add it to your cart. After that, Temu credits can typically be applied to any order unless stated otherwise. Now for the third step is to apply the credits at checkout. Now at the checkout page, just click on your cart and go to the checkout. After that, look for the option to use your Temu credits and toggle it on, or specify the amount of credits you'd like to apply, and your order total will update accordingly. For the fourth and final step, complete the payment. So pay any remaining balance using your preferred payment method, and your credit will automatically reduce the total cost of your orders. Make sure you keep an eye on the expiration date of your credit and use it before it expires. And you can also combine your Temu credits with coupons or flash sales for even greater discounts. And regularly check for new rewards or promotions that could add more credits to your account. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you use Temu credits balance. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.